Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a SNES emulator on your Windows computer. This will be a fast video, so let's get straight to it. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you guys choices between two emulators. First one is this one. It's a very simple, easy to use emulator, and it can basically run on any computer. The next one, which is this one in the middle, you can make the screen bigger, but I have it set like this so that you guys can see. It's a nicer interface, but it takes some getting used to, and it's really shitty navigating through your hard drive to get ROM. So I'm going to show you how to install both of these, so don't worry about any of this. So let's get to the point. First thing that you want to do is go to the website you want. This is SNES9X, this is ZSNES. So take your choice right now, and I'll have timestamps for each version in the description below. So let's get first onto ZSNES, which is this one right here. This one right here down there. So you want to go to www.zsnes.com. I'll have it, I'll link in the description, so don't worry about that. You'll get a website like this. You want to select, you want to go to the left and click on latest version Win, which stands for Windows. Then you get this page right here. Click on download the ZSNES Windows, and you need WinRAR for this. So if you don't have that, I'll show you that right now. You want to go to winrar.com or .nl or .com, depending on your country, and you want to download the version that you want. So for an instance, this is the highest version right now. We have 32-bit and 64-bit. Well, how do you know which version you have? Well, you want to go to this PC right here. You want to right click and properties, and right here system type 64-bit operating system. That's if it says 32-bit, you're gonna have to download the 32-bit version. If you have 64-bit, you're gonna have to download the 64-bit version for better performance. So I have 64-bit, so I just click download and I hit save. And all you have to do after this is open it and install it. But I already have it installed, so I won't do that right now. So click on download ZSNES for Windows. You will have something like this. Select open with or save, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to open it up. Then you get this, so you want to make a folder. Let's make a folder desktop, it's a little bit easier to understand. ZSNES. Double click on that. Arrow snap it. Select these two files here and extract them to there. Close it. If you downloaded the file, you can now delete it because you don't need it anymore. And just double click on ZSNES-W. Hit space, and there you go. To load game, you want to go load. Go to the map where you got all the ROMs. Let's see. So here I'll just check one out. Okay. I have no idea what this game is, but it should work. It's a bad ROM. It's set there at the bottom, so that's why it doesn't work. But you get the idea. So that's the installation process for ZSNES. The next one is SNES9X. You want to go to emulator-zone.com and then browse to SNES or SNES9X. I'll have the link in the description, so don't worry about this. So here you get the same thing, 64-bit or 32-bit. Now for the people who skipped ahead, I'll show you it again. Go to this PC, right click, properties, and the system type, it says either 32-bit or 64-bit. You want to download the one that matches with your system. So mine will be 64-bit, so I'm going to click on that. Either open it or save, it doesn't matter as long as you get the file. So it should look like this. Again, you need WinRAR for this, for the people who skipped ahead. Go to winrar.com or .nl or whatever you want. You want to download the latest versions, so which are either these two. So this is a 64-bit side, this is a 32-bit side. So either download a 32-bit or 64-bit version. Then it opens up like this. I'm going to right click, new, it's going to make a new folder here. I'm going to open it up. And you're going to select all these files and drag them over here. Now you can close this and delete the file if you downloaded it because you won't need it anymore. Then double click on SNES9X. And that's it. That's so simple. So now, to get to your ROMs, you just browse to your ROMs, and it should load it up fairly easily, as you can see. Okay, well this is a Japanese game, I don't know how to play that. So that's it. If this video helped you, then please leave a like, it will help me out a lot. And if you really like this video, there's always a subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.